Did you know that myCGS web portal is a quick and easy way to increase your productivity? Wondering how your company can register for the myCGS web portal for the DME MAC jurisdictions B or C? Let's walk through how to register as a designated approver to get started. Before anyone in your company can access myCGS, someone needs to register as a designated approver or DA. This person approves and manages employee access. We recommend having at least 2 DAs, but you can register as many as you'd like. Here's what you need to get registered: your company's tax ID plus a PTAN and MPI combo tied to it, a recent CGS check within the last 12 months from jurisdiction B or C. The check must match your MPI PTAN and be one of the last 50 checks your company has received from CGS within the past 12 months. Now let's go to the portal to show you how to register. Step 1. Go to the mycgsportal.com and click Register for DME myCGS. Step 2. Fill out your user info: name, email, phone, date of birth, and create a 4-digit PIN. Step 3. Select your jurisdiction, jurisdiction B or C. Choose Designated Approver as your role and enter your NPI, PTAN, and tax ID. Enter a recent CGS check number and amount. Make sure it matches your MPI PTAN. Complete the reCAPTCHA and click Next. Create a password and then choose and answer 3 security questions. These will help you recover your account if needed. Agree to the terms of use, then confirm your company's security training. If needed, watch the CGS security video or read the transcript. You'll receive a submission successful message with your user ID. You'll also get a confirmation email. Now set up multi-factor authentication or MFA. Choose text, email, or Google Authenticator. We recommend setting up at least 2 options. Log in again using your MFA code, and that's it. You're now ready to use myCGS and manage access for your team. Thanks for watching. For more help, check out our myCGS user manual or visit our website.